Countertop ovens have become indispensable in modern kitchens, offering versatility and efficiency for everyday cooking. Whether you're air frying, baking, broiling, or toasting, the right countertop oven can elevate your culinary experience. This guide evaluates top models based on cooking performance, capacity, ease of use, and value, helping you find the perfect fit for your kitchen needs.
List number 1. Emerald Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The Emerald Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo boasts a 26-quart capacity, making it suitable for families or those who entertain guests frequently. With 25 preset cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, and slow cook, it offers versatility in meal preparation. The dual-speed fan ensures even cooking, while the stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Users appreciate its ability to cook large meals efficiently, though some note that it occupies significant counter space. This guide evaluates top models based on cooking performance, capacity, ease of use, and value, helping you find the perfect fit for your kitchen needs.
List number 2. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill, TOA 70. The Cuisinart TOA 70 combines the functionalities of an air fryer, toaster oven, and grill, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Its compact design doesn't compromise on performance, delivering crispy results with its powerful air frying capabilities. The grill function allows for searing meats, while the toaster oven setting ensures even browning. Some users have reported minor uneven cooking, but overall it offers excellent value for its price point.
List number 3. Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fry Countertop Oven. The Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fry Countertop Oven is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. With 5 cooking functions, air fry, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm, it covers all your basic cooking needs. The 30-minute timer and simple knob controls make it user-friendly, while the compact size ensures it fits comfortably on most countertops. While it may not have the advanced features of higher-end models, it delivers reliable performance for everyday cooking.
List number 4. Breville BOV 845 BSS Smart Oven Pro Countertop Oven. The Breville BOV 845 BSS Smart Oven Pro is a premium countertop oven known for its precision and versatility. Equipped with 10 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, and slow cook, it caters to a wide range of culinary needs. The Element IQ technology ensures even heat distribution, while the spacious interior accommodates a 13-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast. Users praise its consistent performance and durable build quality, though it comes at a higher price point.
List number 5. Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo offers a 6-slice capacity, making it suitable for small families or individuals. With 12 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, and toast, it provides versatility in meal preparation. The digital control panel and 60-minute timer enhance ease of use, while the compact design ensures it doesn't take up excessive counter space. While it may not have the advanced features of larger models, it delivers reliable performance for everyday cooking. Effortlessly prepare 12-inch pizzas or 6 slices of toast and explore a world of culinary possibilities with 12 cooking functions: convection baking, bake, pizza, broil, air fry, fries, reheat, toast, bagel, keep warm, roast, and snacks. Your kitchen, your way.